Yes.
Tiago,
Good boy,
let
good
me
boy.
take off jacket.
Hi. Hi.
Let me take off jacket. Oh, don't
You
punch
good
me.
boy.
Don't punch me, huh?
Oh.
Yeah, come on my shoulder. Where are you? What is he doing? Oh!
He's right there.
Can I take
Yeah,
off my
up,
jacket?
up.
Bad boy.
He's bad boy. Huh?
Okay. Come. So flap. Meow.
Shower.
Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Yeah, Joseph ma. Okay, bow. You wanna come here?
Good to mommy.
Baby.
You good boy, yeah?
Mwah.
Ooh.
Kiss Joseph. How are you? It was so windy out today. Mwah.
Yeah.
It was so windy.
Shower.
Yeah, we do a shower.
Who's going to shower?
You had shower?
Oh, you had shower. Good boy.
Did you have a shower? Did your brother had shower? Do you know? Okay, you had shower. Oh, okay, Daddy put Joseph to shower. Okay, you shower.
No, he's saying I'm good boy. I had shower.
All day, huh? All day in poop in the pool.
Pin up there. I'm good bird.
He had kiwi. Today, Tiago and Joseph had kiwi. Oh, do you eat all the kiwi?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't see any kiwi left, huh?
I want pin up there.
Aww.
Tiago bad boy.
You sure?
Yeah.
Now, look now, it's so cold. Yeah? No, it's cold. Joseph. It's cold.
Again, quiet. Why? Nobody didn't scream like you. He's excited. Look how he's breathing. Good boy, are you good boy? If you're a good boy, don't scream, okay? Okay? Sawadika, do sawadika. Sawadika.
My arm's tired.
Good boy, yeah. Okay, good boy. Here, I'm gonna give you almond butter. Then you have to go sleep, okay? Right. Tiago. Oi, be careful. It's not Friday yet.
He went to the So funny, huh? Wow.
Good boy.
Oh my god. Did Tiago went inside the fridge? Okay.
Yeah. Mommy, open it for him. Just open. Yeah. Did you give kiss to mommy? Shower.
I know.
Did you take shower, Joseph? Yeah. Did you take shower in your cage today?
Oh, day.
Yeah. You was a good boy. Yeah, you took shower inside your cage? Yeah? Huh? No, did you take shower inside your cage? Hmm?
I'm gonna come here.
Did you, Joseph?
Come here. Step up.
Yeah? Did you poop inside your cage? Good boy. Okay, there you go. Do you turn around? Do you turn around? Turn around. Yeah, there you go. Give a kiss to mommy. Good job. Tiago, where are you?
Tiago just want a head scratch. Come on here. Step up. Step up. Ma. I know you just want a head scratch. Come on up. Up, up, up,
Up, up, Diego. Up, up.
Up, up. Up, up. Man, I give you a head scratch. Yeah, come on. You wanna come?
He's in daddy mood now. Okay, enough. Joseph.
Good boy.
Good boy. Okay, Tiago wants kiwi.
Kiwi. Yeah, I gave some today. In his cage. His head need to be fixed. He has a lot of
I
pins.
know.
Can you pass me the paper
What paper?
for Joseph to clean his beak? Please.
Very hard. Huh? Yeah, Joseph, up here. Let mommy go get the paper for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have the key. Yeah, you're a good boy. Where's your kiwi, Tiago? Huh?
You bought the kitchen towel, eh?
Yeah. Where is your kiwi?
Up on the cheese. On the top.
Up on the cheese on top. There you go. Step down, 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 down. Tiago, down, down, down. Step down. Good job. Okay. Little Tiago, ready? Do you turn around? Turn around. Good job. So fast. One more time. Turn around. Tiago, one more time. Turn around. Turn around. Good boy.
It's like, what did I do wrong? Why are you asking me again?
No, that's something you guys don't understand. This is teaching,
No.
Turn around one more time. That's one more time,
I mean, if I'm a kid, I turn around one time. I
You're-
would be questioning why are you asking
Honey,
me one more time?
Yeah, those stupid kid. Dumb kid,
Why are you asking me again? Just give me one.
You don't get it.
You know. If
Diego,
you're
turn
kicking
around,
it,
turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn. Good job. One more time. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Yay, turn. Do you turn?
asking.
Do you turn? Turn around one more
You're
time.
asking me to do the same thing.
Diego, one more time. Turn around.
Okay,
Yes, good
fine.
job. Happy now? Yeah? You happy now? You had almond there? Remember to poop inside your cage, Joseph, okay?
Turn
Good
your
boy.
face. Turn your face. There's the peanut butter there. It's okay. Mario.
Where's your pants?
No, there is a tight.
I didn't know.
I can't take it out. I don't know how.
Diego, turn around. Turn around. Turn. Good job.
What happened to you? Here. There you go. Yeah, digest, okay? You have to digest.
Diego, turn around. Turn around.
Where you
Turn.
going?
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. See, you're disturbing.
You wanna kiss his back?
Okay, your breakdown finished. Tiago, turn around. Do your turn. Tiago, turn. Turn. Come on, good boy. Turn around. Turn. Good job. See? Now you don't have to show him the TV. If he do it, then he's he got it. Turn around by the voice, not like this is most of it. It's like body language. See?
จ้า
Okay, Diego, turn around. Turn around. Turn. Turn around. Good boy. Turn around, Diego. Turn around. Do your turn. Do your turn around. Turn around. Turn. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn. Do your turn. Good job. Okay, remove the pillow. Put it this way.
He's into it. You can advance.
Be careful.
Let's sing to it. Why? Why you a bad boy? What do you do? A B C D E F G.
Quiet.
I J K L M N O P Q R. I think he needs more shower.
Yeah.
But it's so cold. Yeah.
Quiet. My phone battery is dying. Okay. Shh. Night, Joseph. Good night. It's a sleepy time. Go sleep. Night. No, it's finished. Night. Say good night.
Sleeping.
Night. Bye. Say bye to your fans. Good boy. Bye. Good boy. Night. Night, mommy. See you tomorrow. Be back. No, I said be back.
No, good night.
Night. Be back. I'll be back. Night night. Night night,
Kiwi
mommy.
fall down.
Good night. Are you a good boy?